This is an emergency broadcast transmission. This is a global emergency alert. A catastrophic event is imminent. On air. Attention all residents. This is not a drill. Deep space tracking has confirmed a 100% impact probability for near-Earth object. Designation CMT 536. Impact is estimated within 48 hours. The object, a comet, is projected to cause global consequences. Immediate action required. Shelter in place. Shelter in place. Seek shelter immediately in the most substantial building available, preferably underground or in an interior room, away from windows. Reinforce your shelter, if possible. Board up windows. Secure doors. Gather emergency supplies, if time permits. Include water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, medications, a battery-powered radio, flashlights, and extra batteries. Turn off all unnecessary appliances and electronics. Seek information only from official sources. This broadcast and designated emergency channels. Avoid spreading misinformation. Maintain communication. If possible, monitor this station for updates and instructions. Be prepared for significant disruptions, including power outages, communication failures, and potential structural damage. Remain calm, assist others, and follow all instructions carefully. This is a critical situation. Your safety depends on immediate action and cooperation. Repeat. Shelter in place. Shelter in place immediately. Do not attempt to travel or evacuate unless specifically instructed to do so by authorities. This transmission will continue with updates as they become available. Stay tuned to this station for further updates. New updates surrounding the impact. The comet was previously projected to hit Earth in 48 hours, but the comet will be striking Earth in 1 minute. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately.